This is what the front of the house looks like. And this is what it looks like going in. So this is what the front looks like. Wow, look at those tall ceilings. We'll see that in just a second. So you come in, and this is the first bedroom. You can tell this is the front of the house. And this is what, it's very small. This would be bedroom number 1. So when you come out of that bedroom, this is what the front door looks like. And that is what the floors look like. Okay, so we're gonna come back as if we're coming through the front door. And then this is the first bathroom. Look at that nice window. Standard shower. Small sink. And then I'm sure this is linen closet. Standard. And that's what the floor looks like. So we're coming in to the main area. Wow, look at all of this space. Oh gosh. So this would be your dining room, open dining room. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. That would be your sitting room or your living room. And then this would be your kitchen. That would be your coffee bar there. Nice. I'm sure that's probably the garage. And you could decorate on top of the cabinets. This is a counter height bar. You could put stools here. And then this is your living room. Okay, so that's your laundry room. Washer and dryer, that's the only thing that's gonna fit in here. Nothing much to it. So then we are back at the kitchen, and then that's your formal dining room. Microwave, stove, regular stove, nothing nice about it at all. Nice subway tile with the herringbone layout, drawers. Look at this massive refrigerator. Look at that. So it's matching both sides, so it's going to be a temperature setting. I'm sure this is probably the freezer here, because I see the basket down at the bottom and the ice over there. So that's going to be your freezer side. It has an alarm, control lock, air filter, and it has an alarm for the door being ajar. So this area here is where the garage is. So this is your garage. Three-car garage, huge, very nice. So when you close it and you go back around, you get the pantry. So you get to come in the pantry. Now somebody is coming in. So I'm going to quickly go into the bedroom, and this would be the master bedroom here. And I'm going to turn the light on so we can see the master bedroom. And this is not big at all. To me, it's not. See some stains on the carpet there. So this is going to be the master closet, which is definitely not that big. I would need that just for my space. And so this is the master bathroom. And let's start by looking at those gorgeous floors. Nice shower. Nice sink area. And then this was probably the linen closet. Okay. Linen closet. Pretty shower. And then this would be the water closet, toilet. So we're gonna come out of here, and then we're going to go see the upstairs. This is, wow, this is gorgeous. So that window is gonna lead you to the front of the house. And then this is how you go up the stairs. And I'm gonna give you a view of what I see. And then we're gonna go up the stairs. So this is the bonus room. There's a window there. Nice clean floors. And this is what you see from the bonus room. Three rooms. Oh, there's a window in the closet. Nice size closet. And you come out. Average restroom. So, and then you would come into the other small bedroom. Of course, there are no colors in here yet. Window and a very small, can't walk in, but double doors. This is the best part of the house. That view is everything. I'm sure this door here is the, what do you call this place? Attic. Let's see if there's a room. Oh, yeah. Well, what I do like about this is you have enough landing here to put your Christmas trees and, you know, things of that nature that you would want in there. It's very cold, so that means it'll be very hot. So that's it up here. This is nice. I like it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's how you're gonna go down the stairs. Everything. Look at this. Can you imagine what you would put on that wall? I cut the light out. I'm sure you can cut it back on at the bottom of the stairs. So let's go down the stairs here. Of course, it's unfinished. So that's the window at the bottom. And then that would be the window at the top. And then you would see the upstairs. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Can you imagine decorating right here? I'm going to show you. Coming down these stairs, you could have a beautiful big chair for your guests to wait here until you got ready, if you didn't want them in your house. So you're going to hear a lot of talking from people that are looking at the home. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If we end up picking this house, I would definitely give you a finished house tour, okay? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about it. Tell me how you like the house. And remember what I always tell you. Journey well.